Alright, let's get straight to the point. We're putting 3 top VPNs under the microscope for your online privacy. And we've got just 3 minutes to find the perfect one for you. Let's dive in. First, what do NordVPN, PIA, and IPVanish all get right when it comes to keeping your data safe? They've got the essentials locked down. We're talking military-grade encryption, so your personal info stays safe from snoopers. They all include a kill switch, which instantly cuts your internet if the VPN drops, so you never risk being exposed online. And they've all had their no-logs policies independently verified, meaning they don't track your online activity. But where they differ, that's what really matters when picking a VPN for privacy. Let's break it down. NordVPN is the best for privacy, thanks to its speed and features. It uses a huge network of RAM-only servers, meaning your data is wiped clean with every reboot, a major plus for privacy. Another great feature is threat protection. It blocks ads and malicious sites full of tracker scams or malware, even when the VPN is off. Plus, it has this cool tool called MeshNet, letting you connect with friends in a super secure private network. The one small downside? A limit of 10 devices at a time. Now, that device limit is a non-issue with both private internet access and IPVanish. They offer unlimited simultaneous connections, so you can protect your phone, laptop, smart TV, and more all at once. But PIA's biggest strength is its radical transparency. It's the only one here with fully open source software, so any tech-savvy user can check their code for backdoors. And here's the clincher. Their no-logs claim has been challenged in court and stood up to the test. That's more than a promise, it's proven. Then there's IPVanish, a totally independent player. Its secret weapon? It owns and operates its entire server infrastructure. No middlemen. They have full control over all their gear, which means a more stable and secure connection for you. And for anyone dealing with slow or unstable connections, it offers a SOC 5 proxy for potentially faster speeds and better performance. Just keep in mind you're trading a little encryption for that extra boost. Okay, ready for the big question. Which one is fastest for privacy without sacrificing speed? NordVPN is the clear winner in raw speed, powered by its custom NordLynx tech. This means smoother browsing and quicker downloads. IPVanish is a very close second, delivering impressive steady speeds using the WireGuard protocol. Private internet access is a bit less predictable. It can be quick, but in our tests, performance varies depending on the server you choose. So which VPN should you pick? Here's a simple guide. Choose NordVPN if speed and extra features like threat protection matter most to you. Go with IPVanish if you want a reliable option with unlimited device connections and a fully managed network. And finally, pick PIA if you're on a budget or you're a privacy enthusiast who values transparency above all else. Its open source apps and proven no-logs record are seriously unique. And that's it. We're all out of time. So if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which VPN you're using for your online privacy. See you soon.